Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Civil Ideas. So today we will discuss about the spillways and some of the basic types of spillways. So the basic definition of spillway is the structure which is constructed along the dam side for effectively disposing of the dam surplus water from upstream to downstream is called spillway. So spillway mean to dispose of the surplus water from the dam to the downside, and like these are the dam that we have constructed, and these are the reservoir perimeter. Here the water, and these when the water is surpluses, then these water should be disposed of so that the dam may not be overflow or damaged. So the surplus water may be used for the irrigation purposes or for power generation or for any purposes. So for this purpose we have to construct a spillway to dissipate that water effectively. Now the location of the spillway depends upon these factors, depend upon the topography of the area, and maybe it may be provided at the mid of the dam, like this at the dam, and maybe provide spillway here, and the ridge structure we provide it here, but in the earthen dams we provide it far away from the dam, like at this side spillway or at this side. So it depends upon these factors, and depend upon the type of dam, also depend upon the type of dam. Far may be provided at the far away along the reservoir perimeter, as I already told you. And so now we'll discuss about the types of spillways. So there are basic 6 types of spillways. So the first one is straight drop spillway. So straight drop spillway, here the diagram of the straight drop spillway. You can see the simple diagram is a concrete or masonry structure, and the base is also, foundation is also a concrete structure, and the water overflow through it, the surplus water overflow through it. And now here we construct a small dam which is comparatively far away from this dam, but I have draw it near due to my mistake, but it is a little bit far away from the structure. The basic purpose of this dam to store water here, and then when the water falling and the projectile motion here on these water, and so the energy may be dissipated effectively, and then go off from that along the to the irrigation channel. So these water are for the to dissipate the energy of these water. So this is the straight drop spillway. Usually this type of spillway used in small dams, bunds, etc., not for bigger structure. And the other one is augie spillway. So this is the augie spillway. You can see only difference in this and that. You can see here is only this motion is curve shape, parabolic shape, and it is very much parallel to the flow of water. The shape is constructed parallel to the water, so that there is no water can flow freely and smoothly, so that the energy can be dissipated effectively. Here you can see the shape of the water jet and spillway are aligned. So these are both are aligned. So this is the OB spillway, this is the crest, and downside we called it trough, and these are the crest, and the downside is the trough. And this is the main this may be a masonry structure or concrete structure, and it can be used in concrete and masonry dams, and a stable foundation. It needs a stable foundation, otherwise it may be damaged. Now the second and the third one is chute or trough found spillway. So it is the, you can see here, first we will discuss the diagram. So this is the dam reservoir, and this is the dam we constructed here. This is the main dam. I have written it. This is the main dam, and this is the chute spillway or trough spillway. We have it is constructed a little bit far away from the dam site. It can be constructed along the abutment of the dam also, but it depends upon the area, but not too much far away. And now we'll discuss the next type which is very far away from the dam, main dam, but it is nearly to the main dam. So this is the side channel to Trough Spillway. It has always a steep slope. It is a steep slope. You can see here. This is the straight like a stairs. This is the very steep flow, and here we constructed a small type of energy dissipators. You may have seen in the picture dissipators to so that the fast moving water, the water energy should be dissipated at its trough and then go beyond this area to the main channel. So this is the trough spillway, and at most cases it is narrow at its end. At the top it is normally narrower, and at the end it may be open. And energy dissipators and we have discussed it in the diagram. And suitability or rock fill dam, or for any other type of for any type of foundation. Any type of foundation can be used for this type of spillway. And the fourth one is side channel spillway. So side channel spillway, so you should not be confused with the trough spillway and side channel spillway. Side channel spillway are very much far away, and the weirs constructed here, the spillway constructed here is normally parallel to the flow of water here, and when the water flow through it, parallel to the flow of water, and then the water flow through it and then bends at 90 degree to the main canals. So this is the main dam, and this is the side channel spillway. So the surplus water can flow through it. So this is the it should be far from the main dam. And earth or rock fill dams that is used and the earth or rock fill dam parallel to the main outer flow, and water flow to its beyond its trough is almost 90 degree. So the water when at flow and at trough level, this is the crest level, and at the down it is the trough level. And then the water bends to the main canal at 90 degree here, like this and this. So and the foundation depends upon the soil condition and water capacity. So any type of foundation will be designed upon the capacity of the structure. So now the fifth one is a shaft spillway. You may have seen a shaft spillway. This is the elevation. So this is the reservoir, and this is the top view of the shaft, and these are the bottom, the canal pipes, drain channel, and that we have the surplus water flow through it and goes beyond to this channel. This is the side channel, and this water combine with it and then go out from to the main canal. This is the main dam, and this is the side. If you cut in elevation here, cut in a cross section here, then the cross section is this is the top of the water, and when the water go beyond this level, this is the freeboard, and then the water go beyond this level, then the surplus water may fall in this shaft and then go in this channel out through the main canal. So this is about the shaft spillway. Excess discharge is passed through the vertical column called shaft, not suitable for earthen dam. Earthen dam we cannot use it in earthen dam because earthen dam is the chances to get be eroded, and can be adopted in rigid gravity structures. And the sixth one is siphon spillway. As the name we can understand from the name is that. And this is the solid conduit, like a closed conduit, maybe of any material. This is the water, and this is the top of the crest of the dam, and there is the closed conduit. When the water go beyond this level, this top level, then there is suction produced here. So through the section of water, so siphon, you may know about siphon, that in siphonic phenomena, the water flow through the gravity action to the suction of the air. So here the difference of pressure occurs, that's why the water flow through air rate and it continues forever. So the next one is a closed conduit and is provided in inverted U-shaped. This is the inverted U-shaped, and to cause siphonic water action, water flow through under gravity. So in such spillway, the water flow through under the suction of gravity. So these are the 6 types you understand, and let's take a clear review about the spillways and its types. So spillway is constructed at dam site for effectively dispose of the water surplus water from upstream to downstream is called spillway, and location of spillway depends upon these factors. It may be a topography of the area, and it may be provided at the mid, at the end, and far away from the main dam. And straight, so the types are straight drop spillway. These are the straight drop spillway, and these are the augie spillway, and these are the shear trough spillway, and these are the side channel spillway. You can see the picture here, and the fifth one is shaft spillway and siphon spillway. Thank you. See you in the next video.